Alright, so I have another project for us to work on together. This time we're going to be repairing this New Testament and Psalms in the King James. As we can see here, the book is starting to come apart. Here where the binding was, starting to separate from the cover. And so we're going to do what we can to repair that. Probably going to have to add some new end sheets in there to kind of glue it back. We'll probably remove these pages here because they're just not going to be able to be recovered. And then here we have a crack on the outside. We'll see what we can do about that on the spine. And I really like the font on here, the lettering, so we're going to try and preserve that and preserve this cover to be used, even though it's I believe it's just a bonded leather and that big crease there. I don't think we can do anything about that, but we'll see. Alright, so stay tuned for some flash repair. So here we are cutting the ribbon, and we're going to burn it to singe the end so it doesn't fray. We're just going to use a lighter to singe it in there, and don't touch it, you just let it singe it. That's all there is to that. You just let it dry and wipe off any grit. Okay, so now we're going to look at what all we did to this Bible, this New Testament and Psalms. It's still got some glue drying, so I've got this wax paper in there. But I've got this new red end sheets glued in here, and it looks like that glue kind of bled through there, so I'm going to leave this plastic in there once we're done looking at this. But let's just pull this plastic out for a moment, see what it did. So we've got it all back together, and we've got a black ribbon I've added, and I don't know if you can see there's a headband in there. I get that, the red and black headband and tail band there, that wasn't there before. I basically just taped up the spine with some repair tape and tried to avoid taping over any of the lettering on there, but hopefully this will give it some strength and ability to be used for a lot longer than it would have been. We added these red end sheets to glue it back in, so we've got some red color paper there instead of white, but because I thought that would help, that would match the red gilting on there. There's some of that tape. And just a reminder, I'm just somebody doing this as a hobby. I'm not a professional. Just learning as I go, and so sometimes I make mistakes, and if you see one I made, don't be afraid to tell me so I can learn to do it better. So there's this New Testament with Psalms that we have repaired to the best of our ability, to the best of my ability anyway. And hopefully you enjoyed watching this. Let's check out how we did the ribbon there, and it's to the proper specifications, 2.5 inches past the corner there, so you have plenty of ribbon to move the page open. Alright guys, we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.